this lesson, we are going to look at differentiating y is equal to a power x, where a is a constant. Now, to differentiate y is equal to a to power x, which is also an exponential, where a is any positive constant, you can use the logarithms to rearrange to make x the subject. And if we do that, we realize that if we have y is equal to a to power x, so we can apply ln on both sides. Applying ln on both sides, we end up having ln y is equal to ln a to power x. Then, if we go ahead to drop the power x, when we drop power x, we end up having ln y is equal to x ln a. Now, when you differentiate ln y with respect to x, you end up having 1 out of y dy by dx, which is equal to, now when you differentiate x, which was in front of ln a, you get 1, and then ln a stays there, which was the coefficient initially. Therefore, when you multiply on both sides the y, you end up having dy by dx is equal to y ln a. And then dy by dx is equivalent to, remember y was a to power x, so substituting it back, we have our a to power x ln a. Therefore, so we can use, for complex functions, the way we are going to see, we can use chain rule, as you are going to see. Don't forget to subscribe if this video is very helpful to you. So now let us dive into the examples. In this example, we are going to differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to 7 power x. Let us see. So we begin by applying ln on both sides. So we have ln y is equal to ln of 7 power x. Now, since ln obeys laws of logarithm, we shall have ln y is equal to x ln 7. So we can drop that power. Then differentiating, we have 1 out of y dy by dx is equivalent to, when you differentiate x, you get 1 times ln 7. Therefore, by cross multiplication, we shall have dy by dx is equal to y ln 7, cross multiplying by y, so multiplying y on both sides and also multiplying y on both sides. So we have, then by substituting it back, we shall have dy by dx is equivalent to 7 power x ln 7. As simple as that. That's the derivative of y is equal to 7 power x. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it has helped you. Thank you. In our example 2, we are going to differentiate with respect to x. Y is equal to 10 power x square. Let's begin. We begin by applying ln on both sides. So we have ln y is equal to ln 10 power x square. Now we said ln obeys the laws of logarithm, so we shall have ln y is equal to x square ln 10. Now when we differentiate, we shall have 1 out of y dy by dx is equivalent to, differentiating x square, get to x, then ln 10. Now, by multiplying y on both sides, we shall have dy by dx is equal to 2x times y times ln 10. Now, substituting y back, we shall have dy by dx is equal to 2x times 10 to power x square, then times ln 10. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it has helped you. So you can put brackets to make it more beautiful. Thank you.